Hello and welcome to this session on how to create a poster using PowerPoint. The reason we use PowerPoint is because it's familiar, it's for free, and we can choose a poster any size we want. Even if it's as big as 50 inches wide, we can still design a poster that is clear and not pixelated. So to begin, first of all, you have to choose a blank slide and you're gonna have to resize it. For you to do that, click on the File button, Page Setup, and choose the size that you want. So if we choose, for example, 100 centimeters and 50 centimeter height, click OK. It's gonna ask you whether you're gonna scale. You don't wanna scale. And as you can see, I've already inserted some grid lines. These will help me in designing and fitting everything in place quite well without it shifting. And the way you can do that is by clicking View, Guides, and choose Dynamic Guides and Guides. And it'll show you two of these lines. What you can then do is either right-click, add a horizontal or a vertical line, and then from there what you can do is hold the Option button down and then drag new lines. I'm going to delete these right now, but this is how it's done. Next, we're going to be inserting shapes. These will be our background shapes. So we can insert, for example, something up here for the title. This can be adjusted after you've inserted it, and then you can change the color of it, the fill, etc. So right now it's blue, we can choose gray, we can choose any color we want. We're going to do the same thing for the body of the poster. We have to have these in place because it's better to have the shapes in place as backgrounds before we insert text and text boxes. This is the basic way of putting in content. Then we can create, for example, insert other shapes or boxes for headers. We can insert arrows, and we can play with the borders and the color of the background. When it is time to insert text, we can insert a text box anywhere we want and type in our text. I'm going to share with you other YouTube videos done by other people on how to do that on a PC, and I'm also going to share with you a couple of samples to show you what a poster should look like. But before I end this session, let me just remind you that you're gonna have to start with the content from the left to the right and move like a wave. So up and down this way. This is how a poster is usually read. Keep it balanced, and you will also be learning from other videos how to insert certain shadows for the boxes to make them look a lot more appealing.